Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable public link for Salesforce files. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to share documents with external clients or partners who don't have access to your Salesforce org, making file sharing much more flexible and accessible. Let's start by accessing the Setup menu. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This is your central hub for all administrative configurations in Salesforce. Once you're in Setup, you'll see a quick find search box on the left side of the screen. Type in content deliveries and public links and wait for the matching results to appear below. Click on the content deliveries and public links option from the results. This will take you to the settings page where you can control how file sharing works across your organization. On this page, you'll need to enable two important checkboxes. First, check the box that says Content Deliveries feature can be enabled for users. Right below that, check the second box labeled Public Links can be enabled for users. These two settings are essential as they grant users the ability to create shareable links. Next, you'll see security options for public links. Select Password Not Required from the available options. This makes the sharing process more seamless, though you can adjust this based on your organization's security requirements. After making these selections, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Give it a moment to process and save your changes. Now we need to adjust profile permissions. Head back to the Setup menu and this time, type Profiles into the Quick Find box. From the results, locate and select your profile. Then click Edit. This opens up all the permissions associated with your user profile. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Administrative Permissions. Within this section, look for an option called Create Public Links. You need to verify that this checkbox is marked. If it's not already checked, go ahead and check it now. This permission is what actually allows users to generate public links for their files. Once confirmed, click Save at the bottom of the page. With the setup complete, it's time to test the feature. Click on the App Launcher, which you'll find in the top left corner of Salesforce, and search for Files. Click on Files to open the File Management area. Find the file you want to share and open its preview by clicking on it. In the preview screen, look for a button labeled Public Link and click it. A new window will appear with the option to create public link. Click on this button, and when the confirmation prompt appears, click Create again to finalize. The system will generate a unique URL that anyone with the link can access. Finally, you'll see the generated link displayed on your screen. Simply copy this link and share it with anyone who needs access to the file. They'll be able to view or download it without needing to log into Salesforce. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and created a public link for your Salesforce files, making external file sharing quick and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.